I don't wash my face with soaps in the morning. To start your skincare routine early because you're trying to preserve everything back. Because we don't want wrinkles. We don't want to create. I like to put some under my neck to tighten.
Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos once a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. Stick around. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Welcome to my morning skincare routine. Let me start off by saying I keep my skincare routine very simple. My morning and my nighttime skincare, very easy steps to follow. I recently incorporated doing a ice bath in the morning for my face. I normally do ice rolls, but I figure let me just step it up and try to fully dunk my face because there's lots of benefits in it, and I'll go over more of that in this video. I also have dry, sensitive skin, so I stay away from products that contain a lot of chemical and also fragrance. I use 90 to 100% natural.
Good morning. I mentioned this in my nighttime skincare routine, but hydration, this is the best thing you could do for your skin. So forget all them serums, forget all those techniques, tricks, and everything. The best thing you could do for your skin is hydration on the inside. This hydrate inside and outside. You can't put all the serums and moisturizers and creams on the outside and then your inside is dry, rusty, dusty, and crusty, looking like the desert. No, moisturize. So I drank at least 3 bottles of these. I think this is a 32-ounce cup, and I drink 3 of these a day.
I started dunking my face in water about 2 weeks ago, and I love the tightness and firmness that it offers, and I am noticing a slight glow. So the first thing I noticed, it decreased puffiness. So if I have puffiness, especially under my eyes, it does decrease puffiness and swelling. 2, it improves blood circulation to give you like a nice, healthy, glowing skin. It tightens your pores, so if you suffer from big pores, it helps to minimize the look of pores on your skin. It helps soothe your skin, so if you deal with irritated or red skin, it helps to calm the inflammation. It helps to tighten and firm your skin. So when you do this regularly, I do this for 20 seconds per day. It's a lot, and I turn my face from side to side so I'm able to get my full face, and then pull my head out, do another 10 seconds, and go again. If you do this continuously, exposing your face to cold water, it can help firm your skin, slowing down the age process. Start off with 10 seconds per day and then slowly increase it until you hit 20 seconds.
This is our morning skincare routine. We're going to start off with jojoba oil for our lips.
I love to use jojoba oil because you can use it in so many different ways, and it's also the only oil that is comparable to the natural oils our skin produce. I use it in my hair, my body, and my lips.
So if I have dark under circle, I go for a Patchology under eye mask. Patchology.
I keep these on for about 10 to 20 minutes, and while I have them on, I either walk around the house, I get my makeup ready, and don't forget to drink your water. Stay hydrated. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. I just love Clara's New York, and they're really good for sensitive skin people like myself. First, we're going to go in with vitamin C, which helps to brighten. So this product is 90% natural blend of vitamin C, powerful antioxidant serum that brightens and corrects uneven skin tone. I also like to put vitamin C on my scars. So I have one on my forehead, and I have a couple of chin hair that I shaved in the past. So I apply it under my chin and on my spots, and I promise you it clears them up in like a week or so.
Like little dark spots under my chin from when I had hair and I shaved them, so we're just gonna rub that in.
Next, we're going to use collagen, which helps strengthen our skin. This blend is 96% natural, helps smooth your complexion and support natural collagen production while reducing fine lines and wrinkles on your face.
And I like to put some under my neck to tighten up my neck as well, because you can't walk around here with a tight, firm face and then the skin of your neck is just saggy. You want everything to be nice and tight.
And I like to apply a generous amount of products. I am not stingy when I'm putting on my face products because it's there to help protect your skin. And when applying, do not drag your face down, so you push back. Take it from your nose, push back to your cheeks. If you're going to rub up, rub down on your neck, so that way you're not creating wrinkles in the process. Third step is hyaluronic acid, which is an advanced hydration for your skin. This product contains 97% natural blend of hyaluronic acid that naturally replenish your skin moisture level, leaving your skin glowy. And I'm sure you notice everybody and their mama, everything that they're selling contains hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic eye patch, hyaluronic drinks, hyaluronic this. It's good for your skin. It does give you that moisture.
You just push everything back because we don't want wrinkles. We don't want to create wrinkles on our face or on our necks, so you just massage and push it back.
And the final step, which is also another hyaluronic product. This one is the Intense Hydration Moisture Enriching Cream, which is a lot. This is 93% natural moisture enriching cream that is formulated with hyaluronic acid to help blend water to skin and increase elasticity and smoothness of skin texture. So it's just pretty much hyaluronic cream on top of the serum that helps to provide an extra layer of moisture.
And this is my morning routine. I know you're probably wondering what's the difference between my nighttime and my morning, because I use the same stuff, and sometimes I do ice roll at night. The difference with this, I don't put peptides on my face in the mornings, and I also use rose hip oil on my face at night. Sometimes I do use it in the morning when I want to switch things up. This is pretty much my full morning skincare. This is my on the go, on the rush. My all-time favorite under my makeup is my CeraVe. I recently got a hold of the Estee Lauder nighttime repair serum. I do use this in the morning as well. Like if I've been just like traveling, or I've been doing a lot of makeup but not a lot of time nourishing my face, I would apply this for like a no makeup day, and I just have this on my face all day. And of course I'll put this on top of it. But my skincare is very simple. Honestly, I think what really helps my skin, besides, I'm not gonna sit here and BS y'all, it's good genetics. My mom, I don't know about my dad's side, but my mom, she have really good skin. And water, I drink a lot of water. I don't drink juice. Only time you'll see me drinking juice is if I'm chasing it with liquor. And if I am chasing it with liquor, it's a bare minimum juice. But I don't drink juice throughout the week. I always drink water. I know there's a misconception going out there saying that black don't crack. If you don't take care of that blackness, baby, it will crack and you will start looking rusty, dusty, dry, desert. Very important to start your skincare routine early, because you're trying to preserve the skin you have and preserve the elasticity and the collagen and everything that's in your face naturally. So the older you get, you won't need all these products. So I started in my 30s taking my skincare seriously. I don't wash my face with soaps in the morning. I don't know why. It's just never been my thing. But this is my skincare routine. And again, if I don't do that, I'll do the peptide step. If I'm not doing all of that, I'll definitely do this. This is pretty much my go-to. I have the bigger bottle in my bathroom. I just have the smaller one on my makeup vanity. If I am doing makeup, this is what's under my makeup. Today's going to be the first time where I'm going to try to do makeup over all this step. Hopefully it doesn't clog my skin or my pores. But yeah, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I truly and honestly love these products and I use them, and I even got backup. So I have my backup hyaluronic just in case, because you see the other one that she running low. So I have my backups ready, and I think I have a backup cream. So just the stuff that I use, these two I'm always using. So I stay stacked up with these. That is it. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.